In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable render whitespace in Cursor AI step by step. This is a super useful setting if you want to see spaces, tabs, and invisible formatting characters more clearly while coding. It can help you catch indentation issues, spot trailing spaces, and keep your code cleaner and more consistent. If you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Cursor AI tips and software tutorials. Now, let's jump in. First, open the Cursor application on your computer. Once Cursor is open, look at the top menu bar. From there, go to View, then hover over Appearance and you'll see the Render Whitespace option. This is the setting that controls whether invisible whitespace characters are shown inside your editor. Go ahead and click Render Whitespace to turn it on. As soon as it's enabled, Cursor will start displaying whitespace markers so you can easily tell the difference between tabs and spaces. This is especially helpful when you're working in code bases where formatting matters, or when you're trying to debug issues caused by hidden characters. If you ever want to turn it off again, just follow the same path and click it once more to toggle it off. That's all there is to it. You've now enabled Render Whitespace in Cursor AI, and you can use it whenever you need better visibility into your code formatting. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Cursor AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.